Here we go!
Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox Super Mario characters. Yeah, and who they are? Chip. Then, who else? Boo, Ludwig, and then Dry Bones. Who else? Magic. Oh, okay. Which one you're gonna unbox first? Which one you want to unbox first? Magico ba? Okay. You open it? You already open it?
Yeah.
Show them. Has what? A wand. A magic wand. Yeah. You can bend also arms, no? Okay. Next one. What's that? What's that, Abby? Chip.
Chip.
Is that a fish?
Yeah. A flying chip.
A flying fish? Is that a flying fish?
Because it has wings.
Oh, yeah. I think it's not wings. It's like a flipper. Like,
Look at this one.
How about this one, Aki? Boo. Yeah, Boo is a ghost.
Yeah. Because he scares.
Dry Bones. Is it hard to open? Next, are you going to open? Ludwig. Okay, open it now. Okay. A wand. What does it do? Magic? Really? Ludwig also is a magician? Maybe he's the boss of Koopa. Besides Bowser. And who's Ludwig? A soldier. Can you show us his face? Can you show us his face? Oh, he's so big.
The shell is
Yeah, it has shells. Spiky too. What's this? Bones.
It can fall down and
Then?
it can connect.
This, it can open his mouth. Can you show us how it open? Like, okay. That's cool. Magic Koopa.
Do magic.
Magic. Wow.
Ooh, scary.
Scary ghost. Chip. It smells. Okay.
Another one.
Okay, can you get all of your other characters? How many all in all you
Nine.
collected? 9. Can you introduce them? All of them? Who's this? This Magic Koopa. Okay.
Boo.
Boo.
Chip.
Then this one.
Mario.
Mario.
Fireball.
Fireball. Next. This one.
Mickey.
And this. So we don't have Yoshi yet, no?
Yeah.
And also who? Princess Peach, no? And I hope we could find it. Princess Peach and Yoshi. It's hard to find them, no? now in unboxing all of the characters. Aki, what will you say to them?
Bye. Thank you for watching for my channel.
And
Forget to subscribe my button to watch my videos.